Pran Mudra. Practicing this mudra enhances your life force in the body. It rejuvenates your entire system. It enhances your immunity, right? And it also helps to improve your vision. In this, your thumb will be touching your little finger and your ring finger. Okay, so the first two fingers are absolutely straight. Your thumb is touching the tip of the ring and the little finger. And you can place your hand on your legs, palms facing up. Make sure that your fingers are not away from each other, they are close together. And you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out.